Hello, this is my assignment. I built a Kafka based order processing system using Python. This is the project structure. Um, Producer generate random orders, consumer reads, process, read writes, and update run in average. Uh, Docker Compose starts Kafka and Zookeeper. Uh, this is follows the structure required by this assignment. Mm, I start Kafka using Docker Compass. This is the command for that. This start Zookeeper and a Kafka broker. Now I start the producer which generate a new error encoded order every second. It prints message like this. Now I run the consumer that reads messages, decentralize them using Aurora and process them. Explaining as it runs, each order is printed with read-write count. If price is greater than 100, I simulate an error to test retry logic. The consumer retries the message up to 3 times. If it still fails, the message goes to the DLQ topics. In conclusion, uh, my Kafka system include Avra serialization, producer and consumer, running aggregation, retry logic, Dockerized Kafka environment. This is my order processing project with the Kafka. Thank you for the listening.